Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head comparison review between these two AI tools, which is Descript and Riverside. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about Descript. Descript is all-in-one AI editing platform that turns your recording into polished videos or podcasts through text-based editing, transcription, and smart tools like voice cloning and studio sound. It's perfect for creators who want professional results without juggling multiple apps. The editing feels smooth and modern with automatic filter removal and easy collaborations. Riverside, on the other hand, focuses mainly on studio quality recording. It delivers crystal clear local recording, 4K video, and reliable remote section, which make it ideal for interviews and podcasts. While Descript wins for editing power, Riverside also shines in capturing quality content. So in short, choose Descript if you edit heavily, but pick Riverside if you record clarity, if recording clarity is your top priority. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.